Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel, you have a list of hyperlinks and you want to extract the URLs from those hyperlinks. Now to do this, we're going to use a small piece of VBA code, which I'll provide in the description of this video. So your first step is to go down to the Sheet tab, right click on it and go to View Code. Then in the Visual Basic Editor, go to Insert and then Module. Then it'll select the module by default. And then in this code window, you just paste in the code that I've provided. So this is a custom function, which we've called GETURL. Now close down the Visual Basic Editor. Then in the first cell that you want to extract a URL in, you type the name of that function, GETURL. And all you have to do is point at the cell that you want to extract the URL from. Close the bracket and press Enter. And then you can copy that formula down and it will do so for the other hyperlinks. Now, because you're using VBA code for this solution, when you come to save your workbook, you will need to change the file type from Excel workbook to macro enabled workbook.